Hey guys, welcome back to New Zealand Numismatics. Today we have a 1972 $1 coin from America. Here on the obverse is President Dwight D. Eisenhower, designed by Frank Gasparo. On the top legend it says Liberty, in God we trust, which is the motto of America and 1972. Here on the edge, it, as you can see, is reared, and American coins flip that way. So, on the reverse, we have an eagle depicted in the center, holding onto an olive branch above the moon, and the earth is in the background. This is also designed by Frank Gasparo. And it says United States of America, e pluribus unum, which means we are many one. And on the bottom, it says $1. My mistake. The motto says e pluribus unum, which means out of many one. And this coin is made of the usual American copper nickel clad. The weight is 22.68 grams. The diameter is 38.1 millimeters. The thickness of this coin is 2.58 millimeters. This coin has a mintage of 75,890,000 at the United States Mint, Philadelphia. Just side note, this coin has no mint mark. Hope you guys learned something new today, and I'll see you next time.